In this lesson, we're going to talk about something called glycolysis. So what is glycolysis? Well, if we break down the word glyco plus lysis, what does the word lysis mean? Lysis means to split apart, and glyco is associated with the word sugar. So glycolysis, you're splitting apart a glucose molecule. Glucose is a 6-carbon molecule. And in glycolysis, glucose will be split apart into 2 molecules of pyruvate. And each molecule of pyruvate represents a 3-carbon molecule. And so basically, you're taking glucose and breaking it apart in half, so to speak. And that's the basic idea behind glycolysis. And in this process, some of the energy that's released as glucose converts into 2 molecules of pyruvate is captured in the form of ATP and NADH. So glycolysis is an energy producing process. Now let's discuss the net reaction of glycolysis. So glycolysis takes place in the cytosol of the cell. And in the net reaction, we're going to start with a molecule of glucose, which will react with 2 NAD plus molecules and 2 ADP units, or adenosine diphosphate, with 2 inorganic phosphate ions. And this is going to produce 2 molecules of pyruvate plus 2 molecules of NADH. Going from NAD plus to NADH, is that a reduction process or is that an oxidation process? What would you say? Anytime you add hydrogen to a molecule, you're reducing the molecule, so that is a reduction process. Now, in addition to forming the 2 NADH molecules, 2 hydrogen ions will form and 2 units of ATP will be produced. So we're converting ADP to ATP by the addition of a phosphate unit. And then we'll also get 2 water molecules. So that's the net reaction of glycolysis. Now, glycolysis can be broken up into 2 phases, and it occurs in 10 steps. So in the